Welcome to our video on the top 5 best human hair wigs of 2025. Human hair wigs offer a natural look, durability, and versatility. Choose 100% Remy hair for quality, select lace front or full lace for realism, and pick densities 130% to 200% for desired volume. Lengths range from 12 to 26 plus inches in various textures. Perfect for everyday wear or styling flexibility. So let's get started. Human hair wig. Hair material: 100% human hair, machine made for a flawless finish. Density: available in 150% and 180% for a luxuriously full look. Custom densities like 220% and 250% available upon request. Lace size: 13 by 4 and 13 by 6 lace frontals for flexible styling options. Weight ranges from 100 to 250 g, depending on length, with full ends for a natural look. Hair lifespan: tangle-free, shedding-free, and low maintenance, lasting 12 to 24 months with proper care. Lace color: light brown lace for a seamless blend with most skin tones. Wig type: 13 by 6 and 13 by 4 lace wigs for versatile parting and styling. Dyeing options: suitable for darker colors only, allowing for personalized customization. Wig length: long lengths available, including 26 plus inches for a dramatic head-turning effect. The YUAN lace front wig is designed to mimic natural hair, offering a lightweight and comfortable fit. The light brown lace blends effortlessly with your scalp, creating an undetectable hairline. With its long lifespan and low maintenance, the YUAN lace front human hair wig is a luxurious yet practical choice for anyone seeking flawless, natural-looking hair. Elevate your style with YUAN, where beauty meets durability. The next is Number 4. Wow Angel HD Lace Frontal Wig. Redefine your beauty. If you're searching for a wig that combines luxury, affordability, and natural beauty, look no further than the Wow Angel HD Lace Frontal Wig. Designed to perfection, this wig offers a seamless blend with your skin and hair, providing an undetectable, flawless look. Whether you prefer straight, curly, or wavy styles, Wow Angel delivers versatility and elegance in every strand. Key features of Wow Angel HD Lace Frontal Wig: classy and gorgeous design, pre-plucked with baby hair for a natural invisible hairline. Skin-like HD Swiss lace, upgraded HD transparent lace that melts into your skin, suitable for all skin tones. Hair quality: made from unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, no tangles, no shedding, and highly durable. Versatility: can be dyed, permed, curled, or straightened to match your desired style. Cap size: medium size, 22 to 22 inches by default, with options for small or large sizes upon request. Deep parting space: 13x6 or 13x4, frontal for flexible styling, middle part, side part, or freestyle. Multiple textures: available in straight, kinky curly, water wave, deep curly, and loose deep styles. The Wow Angel HD Lace Frontal Wig is crafted to mimic the look and feel of natural hair, allowing you to style it effortlessly. The HD Swiss lace is ultra-thin, soft, and breathable, ensuring all-day comfort. Whether you're attending a special event or simply want to elevate your everyday look, this wig offers endless possibilities. With its super affordable price and premium quality, the Wow Angel HD Lace Frontal Wig is the perfect choice for anyone seeking a luxurious, natural-looking hair transformation. Embrace your beauty with Wow Angel, where style meets perfection. The next is Number 3. Queen Hair Real HD Lace Wig, the ultimate hair transformation. For those seeking unparalleled quality and natural beauty, Queen Hair Real HD Lace Wig is the perfect choice. Made from 100% unprocessed raw human hair and featuring real HD invisible Swiss lace, this wig offers a flawless, undetectable hairline that blends seamlessly with your skin. Whether you're looking for a sleek, straight look or voluminous curls, Queen Hair delivers unmatched versatility and elegance. Key features of Queen Hair Real HD Lace Wig: Hair material: 100% unprocessed raw human hair with real HD invisible Swiss lace for a natural look. Hair weight: full weight and true to length, ensuring durability and a realistic feel. Hair color: natural color #1B, dyeable and bleachable to match your desired style. Hair quality: top quality Brazilian virgin human hair, free from shedding, tangles, and bad smells. Versatility: can be straightened, curled, colored, and styled just like your own hair. Comfort: high elasticity, bouncy, and lightweight for all-day comfort. Wig features: pre-plucked with baby hair around the edges for a natural and detectable finish. YUAN Hair Wigs are designed to mimic the look and feel of natural hair, allowing you to part, style, and customize them effortlessly. The HD Swiss lace ensures a breathable, comfortable fit, while the raw human hair guarantees longevity and a silky, smooth texture. Whether you're attending a special event or simply upgrading your everyday look, this wig offers endless styling possibilities. With its factory price and premium quality, YUAN Hair Real HD Lace Wig is a luxurious yet affordable choice for anyone seeking flawless, natural-looking hair. Elevate your style and confidence with YUAN Hair, where beauty meets perfection. The next is Number 2. IVOGUE Human Hair Wigs, premium quality for a natural look. When it comes to premium quality wigs, IVOGUE Hair stands out as a trusted brand for luxurious, natural-looking hair solutions. Their silk top full lace wigs are crafted to perfection, offering unmatched comfort and style. Whether you're looking for a sleek, everyday look or a glamorous transformation, IVOGUE has you covered. Key features of IVOGUE Human Hair Wigs. Brand name: IVOGUE Hair, synonymous with quality and sophistication. Lace size: silk top full lace wig for a seamless, natural hairline. Silk base size: 5 inch multiplied by 4 inch, ensuring a flawless fit and breathability. Wig color: natural black, a timeless shade that complements all skin tones. Textures: silky straight, offering a smooth, polished finish. Wig length ranges from 12 inches to an impressive 26+ inches, catering to diverse style preferences. Material: made from 100% Remy human hair, full hand-tied for durability and a natural feel. Hair density: available in 130%, 150%, 180%, and 200% for customizable volume. Lace wig types: includes full lace wigs and silk base wigs for versatile styling options. IVOGUE wigs are designed to mimic natural hair, allowing you to part, style, and even heat style them as you would your own hair. The full hand-tied construction ensures lightweight comfort, while the silk top base provides a realistic scalp appearance. Whether you prefer a short, chic look or long, flowing locks, IVOGUE offers lengths up to 26+ inches for a dramatic head-turning effect. The next is Number 1. Sassoon BoB Human Hair Wigs, luxurious, natural, and versatile. This human hair wigs offer premium quality and natural aesthetics, making them a top choice for those seeking a flawless, stylish look. These wigs are crafted from the best selected unprocessed natural human hair, ensuring softness, durability, and easy maintenance. Key features: material: made from high-quality unprocessed natural human hair for a natural look and feel. Cap size: comes in an average size, with options for small or large sizes upon request. Density: available in 180% and 200% for a full, voluminous appearance. Higher densities, 220% or 250%, are available upon request. Lace size: options include 4x4, 5x5, 13x4, 13x6, and 360 HD lace for a natural hairline and seamless blend. Weight varies between 100 grams and 350 g, depending on the wig's length, ensuring a full end look. Hair lifespan: designed for long-lasting wear, with a lifespan of 12 to 24 months when maintained properly. The wigs are tangle-free and shed-resistant. Color: comes in a natural off-black, color 1B, offering a rich and elegant shade. Construction: half machine made and half hand tied, ensuring durability and a realistic appearance. Lengths: available from 18 inches to 42 inches, with longer lengths exceeding 26 inches for those who prefer extra length. Lace frontal options: choose from 13 by 4 lace frontal, 13 by 6 lace frontal, or 360 lace frontal for enhanced styling versatility. With its luxurious texture, full density, and high durability, Sassoon BoB Human Hair Wigs provide a seamless and elegant hair transformation for any occasion, so this is the best option for you to buy.